person's Olive Garden.
It really is.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Cheers.
Okay, come on.
This looks good.
Yum! We made it to the hotel.
Good morning.
Okay. Yum, yum, yum. So we are in Chicago. We are headed to Moody Bible Institute for Grace to check out the college. And yeah, it's been a good morning. They had a fun little cappuccino machine. So we all got flat white lattes. Pretty fun. Buildings in the background, but no, it's a video. Keep walking. There you go. Good job, Dad. Woo, enjoying Chicago, Dad?
Oh, I'm loving it. Yeah.
Grace, are you enjoying Chicago? Grace? Okay.
Having a great time.
Grace, you're welcomed. Woo! Check-in time. Woo! What you getting over there? Second breakfast? Second breakfast?
This is really good.
And how was the hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Yay. Right. Adios. Goodbye, Moody. What do you think, Grace? Did you like it?
I loved it. It's amazing.
Yay.
I'm gonna miss you.
It is pretty cool.